of wall hanging. First we will need scissor, then like this lace, then craft paper, decoration articles, ice cream sticks and Fevicol. Now I will teach you how to make. Friends, first we will need 4 craft papers. First we will take first craft paper and we will take 4 ice cream sticks like this, and we will stick them like this. First we will stick them, then this will be the square of ice cream sticks, and then we will stick it on the craft paper and we will cut the extra part. I will show you. See friends, I have made one like this and one like this. So we will need 4. One I have made. Here is second one, and we will need 2 more. I will make it and I will show you. Friends, here are 4. 1, 2, 3 and here is 4. So we will take the lace and we will stick like this. I will show you. Back side I will show you. You can make 3 also, but I am making 4. I have not stick this one. So I will stick this one and I will show you then. Hello friends. It is looking nice or not? I will show you how it is looking when it is hanging. Friends, it is looking very nice. You can also make like this wall hanging. And you can also decorate it very nicely.